What up, Smart Habit Gang? Of course, I have another great video for you today, and this is actually something you are going to need, if not already something you need right now. It's something you're going to need when you start paying for music promotion or start doing music promotion for yourself. This video is how to tell all of the playlists that your songs on Spotify have been posted on. This video is going to show you how to find out every single playlist you've been posted on, as well as how many plays you've gotten from that specific playlist. And it's very easy. If you don't know this, we're going to go right into it. If you don't have a Spotify artist profile already, I have other videos on how you can go create your Spotify artist profile, as well as how you can get your Spotify verified in like a couple minutes, okay? I'll try to find those and put those links below for you. If not, maybe I'll put them in a card up inside this video. But here's what you need to do. As you can see here, we're on artist.spotify.com, right? When you go there, you're gonna be able to log into your profile and be able to edit your profile and stuff like that. I'll also put that video in the links below. Okay, so you go to artist.spotify.com and then you're just gonna go here. So you're already inside of your account, right? If you go here on the left side, you see this Rob Level, I'm verified. You click catalog, okay, and then you're gonna click playlist from this. But what I want to do is since 2015, okay. And you can see here, this is how many listeners I've gotten just from this Spotify playlist, and these are actually Spotify playlists. Like these are what Spotify put my song in there. Like I got on release radar, okay? I didn't get many listeners or anything else like that, but I got on there, and it shows you where all of your Spotify streams come from. Now, this would look a lot more impressive right now if I had released a song more recently, but my new songs start releasing next week. My new singles, like a new song every month. I haven't released a song since Way Up 1 year ago. Like that was last November. But really, you can see this there. Look at this. I got 59,000 streams just from that playlist, and that's a Spotify playlist. Okay, and then if you wanted to go into individual songs, you can do that as well. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see all of the places I've been posted. I've been posted on 1,100 playlists in total. Okay, and if you go through here, you can see, well, it's like maybe one person added it to their own playlist because they listen to it all the time, right? And this is what happens here is you get a couple streams. They have it on this playlist, they have it on that playlist. See what I'm saying? And a lot of it, look at it, way up, 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 way up. Oh, boom! Because my last single was Way Up. It's at 1 million views on YouTube, and it's at around 250,000 on Spotify. But you can see here, that's how you do it, right? So you just go into artist.spotify.com, and then you click your profile, your account, and then you click catalog here, and you can even see individual songs. You see your releases, all that stuff, okay? It's really that easy. I'll put the other links below for how to get verified, how to edit your profile. It's super easy, but this is something you need because when you start paying for promotion to somebody to do your playlist marketing, you want to make sure that you're actually getting on playlists, right? And you want to see if you're actually getting streams from those playlists, because if they're fake playlists, you wasted your money. But if they're real playlists and you're actually getting streams, you can see if the person is doing legitimate marketing for you. Otherwise, how would you know what playlist you got posted on? Unless they tell you, okay? Which they could be lying about. This shows you. There you go. You just became a smarter rapper. Now I want to show you this real quick because I saw a whole bunch of people go, oh, you haven't posted a video in 3 days. I've been super busy because I started shooting my new music/lyric video for my new single. And you can see here, I'm actually editing this motherfucker right here. See what I'm saying? All these graphics, all this going on, is gonna be a good ass video. You guys gonna like this. Ooh. Okay, anyways. See, I'm doing all this myself. See, shooting at it with my own music videos, you know what I'm saying? I got one person who shoots it and helps direct it, and then I edit the music videos. But anyway, this is why it takes time. This stuff takes time, you know what I'm saying? So I've been super busy with this, plus the community's about to launch. We just got the website back. We had to migrate it from Bluehost to another one so it'd be even faster, you know what I'm saying? But I have to pay a lot of money for that. Anyways, there you have it. You just became a smarter rapper. Stick with me. Community's gonna be launching soon. Everything's coming about. My new single every single month. Killing it, hustling, keeping it moving. Hit me with a like, please hit me with a subscribe if you haven't yet. And please comment below what you think. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, gang.